Alright, here I have understanding and creating value in charcoal. Granted that gradation scales are pretty boring, but they're straightforward in terms of kind of creating a value that goes from dark to light. Here what I've done is I've used a charcoal pencil, it's the 4B soft one, and Q-tips and a paper towel to help blend. What you're going to find is the amount of pressure that you're using will lay down a certain amount of charcoal, and as you start moving to the right, you're using less and less charcoal and relying on your Q-tips and paper towel to take care of the gradation that's occurring here. So there's a certain amount of pencil control, a certain amount of blending control, and then visually watching as you take a step back every so often so that you can see that it flutes or that it fades, or the better term of gradating. It gradates from dark to light, and you want to treat each square individually like its own scenario. You don't want to just fill it in and go down. By working each square, you start to understand the amount of pressure and the amount of blending technique that you're using that you've already attempted in previous examples or exercises. And then as you start to move along, it's really easy to start doing it. It does take a little bit of time. Worst case scenario, sometimes, especially in this area, you'll find that these three especially will start to look the same. But all you have to do is you can either dilute it with your eraser, or you're just taking a step back and darkening one and then coming back forward. So it's kind of a give and take. You're going to find that you will be doing a certain amount of blending or putting more charcoal in just to make that gradation happen, and each square successively start getting lighter as it starts to move down. But by using these blending tips, you'll find that it's easier to control the fluting or the gradation as it starts to move to the right from dark to light.